Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. At ito naman ay isa na namang recipes, no? Medyo minsan lang tayo nagluluto ng beef, diba? So if you notice, puro pork, chicken, no? Pero I think fish, not one point. But today, we'll be cooking beef, no? Which is actually bulalo, no? Bulalo steak with mushrooms. No? So basically, I'll be using the pressure cooker. No? So I think maraming ibang notions about pressure cooker. But personally, I like using pressure cooker. Even if man nagkakaldereta ako, I use it. Alam ko, tinuruan talaga tayo ng nanay natin na i-boil mo ng mabagal, ng ilang hours para talaga lumambot yung beef. But I think nowadays, I think we have to be more practical. So now, basically, what we will be using is the bulalo steak. Diba? Ito normally ginagawa natin for bulalo, no? So basically, ibo-boil ko lang siya. Very, very simple yung ingredients. But what you need is a pressure cooker. So, anong mangyayari kung wala kayong pressure cooker? By all means, pakulaan nyo ng matagal. Except, my God, 4 hours, parang ang gastos sa gasol. Diba? So, basically here, just put the water and then I'm going to add beef bouillon. Kasi nga, it's beef. Para lang ma-enhance natin yung flavor. And then, we have this, the dried tarragon. Tapos, we will just put a little bit here. So, I will just whisk it to make sure na naka-dissolve talaga, no? Naka-dissolve yung ating beef cubes or beef bouillon. So, there. Waiting for it to dissolve and then I'm just gonna add some pepper. So, I'm just gonna put some pepper on that. So, from there, I'm just gonna put this here. Make sure lang covered na covered siya. Yan. Okay, paki-cover na natin. So we're gonna cover it for about 10 minutes. And then wait for it to cook through para malambot na siya. And then we'll make our steak. Okay, ngayon, yung pressure cooker natin, yung ating beef bulalo, ay malapit ng maluto. So, what we'll be doing in preparation for that, we need a seasoning plate. Ito. Pero kung wala kayong seasoning plate, okay lang din naman. Pwede yung, you can use actually a normal pan. But we will just be using it. Nalagay ko lang sa fire. And then, add a little bit of oil. Yan. Para mamaya. So, that's how we will serve it later. Yung bulalo steak. So, while that's there, we'll be cooking our sauce. Okay? Kailangan mainit kasi yan eh. So, this one, you can use canned mushrooms ha. Not necessarily. Except ito, ang tagal na kasi sa ref namin eh, baka nakifeel ko malapit na siyang it's either, di ba, we have to cook it na talaga. Yan. So this one, I'm just gonna saute it in butter. Very easy. There. Let me just finish this mushrooms. Sayang naman eh. Baka maano. See, nagko-color na siya. So it could be any button mushrooms ha. Pwede rin yung nasa can. Medyo nag-liquefy na siya. Let me see. Okay. So now, this is sauteing. We would just need some onions. Okay. So, I'm just not gonna put garlic na. Gobi naman. Gobi naman ngayon ang issue. That was some tarragon. And then, let me just saute this a little bit. Ooh. Tumalo. So, we're just sauteing it and waiting for our bulalo steak to be done. Let me just season it with some pepper. So, linagay ko yung dried tarragon para mas ma-absorb siya yung taste mo. Kasi nga, it's dried. So, medyo kung fresh, the last part mo nilalagay, but since it's dried, we will actually just put it while we're sauteing. Okay? Again, you can use canned mushrooms, sauteed mushrooms. Not sure if shiitake mushrooms might go kasi nga may pagka-oriental, no? Yung taste ni shiitake, and we're trying to mimic nga parang a western taste of steak but using a not so expensive cut, which is yung bulalo cut. No? So, parang, syempre kung bibili tayo ng imported na steak, syempre mas mahal. So, we're trying to recreate using this beef. So, pag medyo nagwawala na siya, malapit na yung maluto. Maybe about 2 minutes. So, may steak pa tayo. So, when you're using sizzling plate, kailangan na mainit siya. No? Let me just turn off the fire for a while. There. So, we're just sauteing it. Hinihintay ko siya kasi, remember kanina, when we were cooking the beef bulalo, nag-dissolve tayo ng beef cubes. So, normally, I would add it here, pero hintayin ko muna to. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? I'm waiting for it to dissolve and to cook. Para yung natitirang liquid dyan, I can use here. Diba? So, sayang. So, 1 more minute. And then we're done. We can actually serve this steak. Just wait for it to stop sounding. So, from here, kukunin na natin siya. Medyo malambot na yun. See? Medyo malambot na siya. There. Yung natira, yung liquid. And of course, our ever-lover favorite. There. So we're just gonna make a slurry. You can actually smell the tarragon, bango. So I'll make a slurry. So ito lang. It's just cornstarch para lang mag-thicken, no? Yun. Once mag-thicken siya and mag-color, once mag-boil, we're gonna add it to the sizzling plate. And we're ready to serve. So, ayan, ang bilis, oh. Ang bilis mag-thicken. Mataas ang fire. I'm gonna add more liquid. There. So, I'm just gonna put it here. Mainit. I'm gonna put the fire. Masarap yan, no? Yung parang marrow sa loob. So, there. Yun. Ayun siya. There. Now, ready to serve. You can put crunchy garlic, or you can just leave it as it is. Okay, sa sizzling plate here lang. Kasi mainit. And then here is our bulalo steak with mushrooms. Somebody's excited.
Let's taste.
Ready to taste na?
Yeah, let's taste.
See?
Bulalo steak.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna do this beef. You should eat with the fat. Fat and the mushroom. Not bad. Good.